welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your language preferences in TikTok. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, now some of us might not be interactive with English language that much, but we need to change our language. So let's do that by opening our TikTok app first. And you can see the profile button on the bottom right corner of your phone. Tap there. After that, you can see the three-lined icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there. And you can see the settings and privacy option pop out. Just tap there. And after that, you need to find the language preferences. To do that, you can see the app language option, which is under the content and activity category. Just tap there. So you can see currently my default language is English, and if you want to change it to your preference like Arabic, Spanish, Japanese, anything, Chinese, you got it all over here, Romanian, Polski, it's on your choice. After you have tapped on language you want, a tick mark will appear. After that, you need to tap on the done button over here, which is at the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and it will take a moment to download all the encryptions, so it depends on your net speed. So that was fast, and you can see all these have been turned to Japanese. See, and similarly, if you want to change it to your normal language or English, again, just go to your profile by tapping on the profile button again, and you can see the three-line icon on the top right corner. Tap there. Let's go to our settings, and you can see the app language over here. Similarly, let's turn it to English, and let's done, and it's back to English. There guys, changing language is in TikTok is this easy. And if you have any comments or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.